Welcome to this video, where we will explore the question, UPS versus inverter. Do you need both? We'll focus on the critical role of seamless transitions in modern power backup systems. Before we dive into switching speeds, let's define the foundation concepts for the two primary power backup technologies we are discussing. A conventional inverter is designed for long-duration power backup. It converts DC power from batteries to AC power for your home, providing sustained backup for fans, lights, and appliances. They are cost-effective for bulk load support. A UPS, or uninterruptible power supply, provides immediate high-quality power backup for sensitive electronics over a short duration. Key features include an integrated battery, built-in automatic voltage regulation, and a focus on data protection. The seamless transition gap is where switching speed matters. UPS systems switch from mains to battery in 5 to 10 milliseconds, preventing computers from rebooting. Conventional inverters take 30 to 100 milliseconds, which can cause a computer to lose its state and restart. The 10 millisecond threshold is critical. Most desktop computers have a hold-up time of about 10 to 15 milliseconds. If backup power doesn't kick in within this window, the motherboard resets, leading to data loss and hardware stress. The hybrid solution involves modern home UPS inverters that feature a UPS mode. This setting reduces the switching time to approximately 15 milliseconds. While improved, this may still be borderline for high-performance gaming PCs or sensitive medical equipment. Beyond just switching, UPS units offer crucial protections. These include automatic voltage regulation to handle brownouts, integrated surge protection, and pure sine wave output, which is essential for the longevity of electronic components. Comparing the features, a standard inverter is slow but offers extensive backup duration for general loads. A standard UPS is fast but provides brief backup for sensitive IT. A home UPS inverter is moderate, offering extensive backup for mixed household loads at a premium price. When comparing power backup switching speeds, lower is better. Conventional inverters are around 80 milliseconds. Hybrid inverters are 15 milliseconds. Line interactive UPS units are faster at 8 milliseconds, and online or double conversion UPS units achieve a 0 millisecond transition. In summary, use inverters only for basic backup like lights and fans. For workstation protection, use an inverter plus a UPS. The home UPS is a single unit solution for most modern electronics. For critical systems, always use an online UPS for guaranteed 0 millisecond transition.